Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a soft, cheesy and homemade corn pizza that's simply delicious. Let's start the recipe. First take 110 ml warm water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well. Always activate yeast with warm water, not hot. And let it rest for 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Knead into a soft dough. Mozzarella is the most consumed cheese globally, thanks to pizza. Rub a little oil and keep aside for 40 minutes to rise. Letting dough rest make the pizza base light and airy. Once the dough ready, roll out the dough. Grease oil in 7-inch mold. And place the dough. Spread evenly. Now prick with a fork. Prick the dough with a fork to prevent air bubbles and veggie under the cheese layer so they stay moist. Now spread some pizza sauce. A layer of mozzarella cheese. Some green capsicum, boiled corn, and some onion. Corn toppings are especially popular in Asian-style pizzas. Top again with mozzarella cheese. Corn is rich in fiber and good for digestion. Sprinkle chili flakes and oregano. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside and cook for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and cheesy. Homemade pizza lets you control oil and salt. Adding veggies boosts vitamins and minerals. Using less cheese keeps it lighter but still tasty. Your homemade corn pizza is ready to enjoy. Try this recipe at home and tell us what's your favorite pizza topping. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious recipes.